Redmi. The Note 17 Pro is here. The rear camera module has a bit of a Xiaomi 11 feel to it. The color scheme is fresh and quite nice. The plastic back cover, combined with the die-cast metal bracket of the mid-frame, further enhances its rigidity. Look at the appearance and materials. All I know is that this is a model that focuses on durability and drop resistance, boasting IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K certifications. A full slam. Okay, let's test it out. Wait, did you think I was going to drop the phone? I really don't want to. If you want to see drop resistance, you can go check out other YouTubers' tests. Okay, enough joking. Back to the main topic. Do you know what I appreciate most about this phone? In the past, phones in this segment generally use slightly inferior LCD screens and weaker processors, focusing their strengths on durability, drop resistance, and water resistance. But this one is different. This Redmi Note 77 Pro uses the same luminescent material as the Xiaomi 17. It has a 6.8-inch 1.5K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The entire screen is uniform and clear, and the DC Plus 3840Hz PWM hybrid dimming is also very pleasing to the eye. The processor is a 4th generation Snapdragon 6S, so the performance is quite good. The overall system operation is also quite smooth, without the severe animation cutouts found in other phones in the same price range. It also has a large 9000 mAh battery, supports 67W wired charging, and features a very practical end-to-end AI anti-fraud system for seniors, a new senior mode, and a 300% louder volume function. These features are very well done. What do you think? What's your evaluation?